Aya nebe sokuba ile team yami ke yo ayinkosi mina ngazi senze yo angisazi inkosi yami lazi angisazi noma ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeChiefs mfethu angisazi mfethu that's why my win angathanda ukucelebrate too much. Okay sharp, I'm proud of them on the Nedbank Cup. It's okay, yeah, send your hope lapho mara yo ayinkosi yami angazi mina ngenzeni manje yo khuleka ukori striker khuleka ukori defense khuleka ukori midfield like I don't wanna lie, our style of play was sidlala ngakhona kuyajabulisa mfethu. We have a way forward, we are attacking while the game they see we literally took over this game. Inkinga nje i1 oh labafana bazi imbobo oh nkosi yami ngicela nje naturally mfethu bangasajimi labafana bajima imbobo nje kuphela mfethu yo lamajita abawazi imbobo mfethu yo ayiChiefs yonke mfethu ayazi imbobo the whole team abo Solomon ukhabela le sharp defender abo Dubri yo nkosi yami angeke yo aba nabo referee abasifuni mfethu. Second goal is an offside. Ufuna ngitshela ukuthi bheka this thing bro, this is not an offside, this is not an offside. Hayi mara uthi ngithule mfethu wazothi nya complain ngoba sidliwe mara ayifela ngisazi mina ngenzeni mfethu yo ukufena iChiefs kumele kufakwe nje kuma sickness of causing death or something. Oh Chiefs oh hayi angazi mfethu yo nkosi yami.